All right, all right, all right. Good morning. It's Friday. Thank God it's Friday. So, yesterday, as we discussed, we had that quiet inside day. And aside from the JOLTS report right now, I really don't think that there's anything to move the market on this Friday. So, I suspect that we might have another quiet day today. And Monday's retail sales is not a whole lot out there. So, maybe Biden will screw something up or we'll get some surprise on earnings. But other than that, I don't really see a catalyst. So yesterday we kind of bounced around that 8-day moving average. We floated around there. We created an inside bar. I don't really see an aggressive move here that could happen. Based on the 60, we could be having a trend reversal. Maybe we'll break these highs and move up. My bias would be more towards the bullish than the bearish, but we're going to need some catalyst to make this market break one way or the other. But I could take a little lack of volatility. I don't mind that one bit. So yeah, that's it. Yeah, for today, I'm not expecting a whole lot of action, and nothing's really changed from last night. I believe we looked at everything last night. So we have Coinbase up about $3. Disney, Facebook, everything's kind of looking green. So again, probably a little bit of a bullish move today. Nothing aggressive. I don't think we're hitting any new highs or anything like that. I'll take a look. I don't know if I'll be doing any directional trades today, but I'd rather save that risk for when I know there's a catalyst out there. I'll get a nice move. I'll pick up a good play. I made a few good moves this week, so I made a ton of cash. No reason to give it back. So that's about it. That's about it. So everybody, remember, when you're trading, you should be calm and cool. Do a little meditation. Be at peace, and good luck trading.